changed everything. We were being attacked in the end. Do you remember that? We were heavily outnumbered and outgeared, and you separated from us to serve as a distraction. The moment you did that, I knew you were in trouble. I tried to contact you to help you, to save you, but you couldn't respond to me. I was helpless. I had to wait there, not knowing if I would ever see you again. I convinced you to tame a dog. I then named the dog Reefes and dropped into the void at the exact moment when I supposedly teleported to my death.